Hey guys, in this video how to download and install Python on your Windows 10 operating system. So let's start. Open your favorite browser and search Python and wait for results. So first link appear front of you python.org. Click on this. Next go on official website python.org and next go on download section and choose the current version of Python and click download and save. I am already download this file for save your time. Double click on download file. Open installation window with two options: install now or customize installation. Choose customize option. Please check optional features. Please check mark all features and click next. And in advanced option, install for all users. Please check mark and install and click yes and wait for complete process. And your installation done.